Do you want some beautiful flowers without having to water every day? Well, these artificial mum flowers from G Goods are the way to go. Thank you to the brand for gifting me these artificial flowers so I can show them to you. And they have flexible stems, so you can adjust them to fit however you want. If you want to put them in a vase, if you want to put them outside. And they're really pretty and they're realistic. So you can brighten your porch, your window box, your indoors with no watering, no deadheading, no fertilizing. It's great for late summer or fall decorating or just any time. You have to fluff them. You might want to fluff them out. It comes with 16 bundles like this. Kind of an orange and a kind of a brownish red color. So they're great for fall. You can put them in a pretty pot and you can make your area look warm and welcoming. I like the fact that they don't look fake at all. Let me show you where I'm going to put them. I like that they're UV resistant. They certainly are warm and inviting. Just the kind of vibe I'm looking for. And they look real, don't they? You just can't tell. Just pretty.